Hello everyone, welcome to another session on networking. Today we'll talk about the path selection in the networking concept. So the path selection is very important because how a router does path selection. A router it identifies the path that a packet should take by evaluating the prefix length that is programmed in the forwarding information base through the routing table. So the path selection has mainly three components, which is the prefix length, which and the example below shows the number of leading binary bits in the subnet mask. So /28 and /26 are the prefix length. And the second one is the administrative distance. It is a rating of the trustworthiness of a routing information source. If a router learns about a route to a destination on route from more than one routing protocol and all the routes have the same prefix length, then the AD is compared. So what is trying to say here? If uh, if a router learns more than one routing protocol, which means that one routing protocol it can be EIGRP, OSPF, or routing information protocol. So if a router learns from three different routing protocols, then it will look at the prefix length first. No, if the routes have all the same prefix length but from different routing protocols, then the AD is compared. So on the next slide, we'll show you the AD of the different routing protocols. So here it is. So as you can see that connected interface, the default administrative distance is 0, whereas the static route is 1. For enhanced IGRP, summary route is 5. For external BGP is 20. Internal enhanced IGRP is 90. IGRP is 100. OSPF is 110. ISIS is 115, 115 that is, and routing information protocol or IP 120. EIGRP external route 170. Internal BGP 200, and the unknown is 255. So the unknown will skip this up, but it's important to know about the administrative distance of the different routing protocols. And the third main component in order to determine the path selection process is a metric. So what is a metric? It is a unit of measure used by a routing protocol in the best path calculation. So the metric vary from one routing protocol to another. So here we don't have an example of the metrics, but for every routing protocol there is a metric. Yeah, sometimes not for everyone, but for EIGRP you have, and this is used to calculate the best. This is used to calculate the best path. So it's important to know about the three main components for the selection process, path selection process. So the first one, which is prefix length, second, the administrative distance, and third one, the metrics. Now let's talk about the routing information base. So if if a router, as we have said earlier, if a router receives a route uh, from three different protocols like EIGRP, OSPF, and BGP, and this is they are they are they are programmed in the route forwarding information base. So the router will do the path selection process based on the three main components, which is prefix length, the administrative distance, and metrics in order to make the decision and forward the packet. So this is all for me, guys. I hope you liked it. Thanks for tuning in, and goodbye.